Yeah, I personally feel like people should like students should play it like at well, ninth. I played it in 11th grade and then I played it in college. And when I played it in college, I guess it was kind of like a reflection, like saying, "Oh, it's like it's been like 2 years now and still nothing's happening." Because I think when I was a junior and we were playing it, I'm like, "Oh, maybe by the time we graduate, there's probably gonna be like a new policy that helps with electrifying New York City or like New York State." But I do think that students should play it from like ninth grade and then all the way to their like then maybe next time like 11th grade or 12th grade. So they do realize that there is like time goes fast or like however they perceive time is like there's still nothing done, if that makes sense. Like there's still like nothing has changed, nothing has like there's zero to no movement around like policies or ways to fight back with climate fight.